just starting out pretty hard right now. We already got a pretty good amount. I think it's gonna be quite a lot by tomorrow morning. Possibly over 6 inches of snow, which is what it's looking like right now. And for now, that's pretty much all I've said.